Over the holidays, I had water damage to my water heater, which I had to research and find someone to come out and do work for my house. I came across PRC and I checked the reviews. I liked the reviews, so I contacted PRC. PRC came out, they assessed the damage. After assessing the damage, they talked to me. They told me what needed to get done, how it was gonna get done, and the process. After I said yes to the process and everything they were gonna do, immediately came out, they did the pack out to where the damage was. After the pack out, they started with the water mitigation. Water mitigation, they were able to find damage to the garage, to the kitchen, and to the pantry, which are adjacent to the garage. After the water mitigation, they were able to come in and start the repairs. The repairs that they did were extensive, from the garage to the kitchen and to the pantry. They were professional, they were knowledgeable. My wife and I are very happy and content with what they've done. After the repairs, they did a quality assurance to make sure that everything was good, and we were then finally happy where they were gonna come and do the pack in. And look at this beautiful result that PRC brought to my house. We picked a beautiful color with what they suggested. And on top of that, the hardware that we had that they installed for us, and the quality of work shows in every detail that is in my kitchen. Thank you so much, PRC.